It's okay, I got it, buddy.
That's a close one.
Yeah. Hop! Got you.
Hey, a fish.
Hold on. Alright, watch out. I gotta slide this pad now. There we go. Hey, can you tell them we're monkeying around? All that work, I need something to drink now. Oh no, we gonna crash!
Oh no!
I got good insurance, man.
Oh, you did?
Pay for that daggone
Hey, you got that insurance on man?
$250,000.
He had that.
Because we're going to Bull Hole to 601. Grayson, would you like a little paddle? Okay, hold on. We have the Wondering Electrician and monkeying around. Today we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 boats with us today.
Hi.
And we're going from the Bull Hole to Highway 601 on the south, if I'm not mistaken, I think it's the south fork of the Yadkin River. I got Grayson rolling again with me as my co-pilot. He's my navigator.
Yeah.
Yeah, I have 5 on navigator. Are you the navigator? What are you?
Subject Michael.
I'm Subject Michael. You steering us into a tree?
Ah, we're going to crash.
We did crash. Don't forget, folks, coming up in just under 2 weeks, we're going to do our big Get Your Paddles Wet trip. I kind of got my fingers crossed, and I'm hoping that I can get this video edited before it's time for that trip. But we're going to go get our paddles wet.
Yeah.
Because what are we doing?
We're getting around.
We're monkeying around.
What?
Look at that waterfall, buddy.
That is a big waterfall.
Let's go see if we can get in it.
That we can get on it and slide down it.
Let's see what it is over there. Set on your butt. There you go. We got these rapids right here.
Dad, we're not on it no more.
No, we're not on it no more.
I'm not scared of that one. It's a little one. I'm not scared of that one. I'll sit up with you, Daddy. I'll sit up with you.
Okay.
Hi. Hi.
You realize we have 13 boats here with us today?
I'm going to crash. I got scared. Right there.
You're not a baby anymore.
donut.
it's a donut, Mama.
Oh, a donut?
That's what Grayson say.
They must have not liked the taste of it. Is it a chocolate or vanilla? What, Bucker? Is that yellow donut, Bucker? It's a water donut.
Buddy, when you push it this way, you slow me down. Do it like this. There you go. That speeds us up, makes us go fast.
That's a close one. And I'm gonna get going.
You can buy it, but I don't want this one.
Well, I'm not gonna buy. This is my boat.
We need extras, apparently, with your trailer.
Okay, so all
We got
right.
to tie down.
So let me tell the story since my wife just kind of spoiled the
sorry.
thriller.
I do my hair.
We're driving up the highway coming over here,
That's cool.
and one of our boats flew off the back of the trailer. We didn't have it secured tight enough, and it flew off the trailer, landed in the middle of the highway, big major interstate. No problem. The boat was fine.
Why that boat from the water and the?
I think maybe that the seat was broke at that point, but no big deal. Put a new seat in it, keep going. And yeah, you can play with that.
I'm drink this.
We ended up, and I'm watching this green big passenger van come down the highway. And the guy was, I mean, he had to be not paying attention. He was either texting or calling somebody or playing on his phone or, you know, picking his nose or something. Because Lord knows he was not watching what he was doing. Because he just, I mean, 18-wheel tractor trailers were just sliding over and dodging it. And he just plowed right through it. And just basically busted it about in half. And so we lost the boat. Of course, it was one of our spares, so it was no big deal. No, you can't drink that. That's river water. It'll give you the poopies. It'll make you sick on your belly. Hey, y'all trying to finish this in like 30 minutes?
I don't get fish with this. I don't get fish with this. Hey, we beaten you.
Yeah.
They don't play. They do it again. Look.
Well, they are some fast paddlers. We're gonna put them in the back on the big trip.
I got the fishy.
No, you got some dirt.
No, it's a dirt fishy.
Oh, it's a dirt fishy.
Yeah.
Well, now. Are dirt fishies good to eat? Do they taste good?
I don't get to another dirt fish.
This river, like so many others that aren't commercially per se used, have lots of down trees. Like a river we paddle a lot, the Dan River. I did a video up there a couple of months back. That river is commercially used. Outfitters do trips up and down that river, and so occasionally the businesses, one of them being Dan River Company, it's a good business. They go out and clean up the river, get all these down trees and that kind of thing off the river and clean it up a little bit, which makes it easier to navigate. Whereas here, this is basically like a serpentine. All day long you're going and dodging this tree and that tree, and if you see behind me, there's trees all over the place. And they are flying. The Wondering Electrician ain't wandering today. He is on a mission.
Is there something on the other end that we don't know about?
I don't know.
Pot of gold?
I guess. Maybe it's a pot of gold at the end of this river. Did you lose it again? Boy.
What's up, boy?
They don't get the fish started.
Let's see if we can catch us some fish.
Let's get fish one.
We're going to use Chris's. Because I got to set mine up and I forgot to do that on the dock. Chris has got two.
Oh, look at that.
There's two dragonflies. They're kissing on each other.
And then he kissed on
What is that in front of?
He kissed on me. Can I have a Grace and Sugar? Give me a big hug, too.
This, whatever this is, tree, rock, branch.
I love you going down the river with me.
Daddy.
What, buddy?
Ooh, it's a lot of over a tree.
Yes, sir.
Oh, that's a good cast right there, boy.
Where?
You'll be in Anglers Monthly next week with fishing like that.
Hey, y'all tune in. He'll be the new TV hero.
Here, I'll throw it, and you gonna stick one of us in an eye.
That one.
Reel it in. Oh, all right, there it is.
Wait.
You ready? Got a boat coming. Got two boats coming. Look, it's the Dale Earnhardt crew.
Yeah. Let's go over there and get out. Let's go over there and get out, Daddy. Oh, God. Oh, boing, boing, boing. Boing, boing. Let's go over there and get out.
Well, they haven't posted it, but usually you can get a rate through the thing.
I thought maybe y'all was like
Hi.
I'm thinking 175 a night.
I thought maybe y'all was like trying to speed record this thing.
No, I looked back and nobody was behind me.
Well, you are not ever allowed to lead. Your leading privileges have been revoked. Huh?
That little red was awesome.
Yeah. All right.
Motorboat made this into a beach.
Hang on,
Now
guys.
it's wavy.
Hang on.
So we just stopped, took a little break, had some lunch. All 13 of our kayaks stretched out along the bank. Got my other camera mounted up, so now I got video going both ways. And now we're already off, paddling away. Careful, you don't spill it. You spilling it, baby girl. You're gonna lose it. And I traded riders. Now I got my little girl with me.
Daddy, what's this?
That is a speaker, baby.
I don't want to. I think it's something to do a drink. We have this both drinks.
Oh.
Daddy. Hey, Daddy. Now it's two laddies.
You on the camera?
Let me wash a boat. And a little bit more coming up.
If you're looking for a
What?
good place to go paddling with young kids, and you're close by in the Piedmont area of North Carolina,
What are you?
Winston, Greensboro, High Point area,
What are you doing?
this is a good short trip
So what are you?
down the river. It's got some flow, but it's really got no rapids.
Who are you talking to?
I'm talking to the camera.
Do you want to clean up with me? With me or with the water? So,
We're gonna slide right here. We're gonna slow down and let Kevin catch up to us. We're gonna spend some time. Oh, look, he's got one in tow. He's got Mr. Luke in tow. Taking care of Luke, making sure Mr. Luke's okay. So, question.
Yeah.
Let's go ahead and get the next trip going.
Next trip?
Yeah?
Well, I'm gonna tell you, I'm thinking about seeing me and you doing a two-man trip.
Just the
two of us.
okay. When you want to go?
Probably, let's see, we're taking this in the middle of July, middle of August, so I got a vacation.
About
Probably like September.
September, when it starts cooling off a
Yeah,
little more?
just a little bit cooler than it is now.
Where you want to go?
I'm thinking about, I've been looking at the Arrowhead River. You need to look at that book I got. I'll bring it with me on the big trip.
You know, you
Look
didn't
at
give me
it.
nothing for my birthday. You could have bought that for me for my birthday.
Well, I had to try that.
I've had 40 birthdays and you ain't never got me nothing.
No, well, you know, I've had 36. Still waiting for mine to come along.
Well, it's on order. I don't know what, it ain't been delivered yet.
You don't know what the problem is?
I don't know what the problem is. Oh, we crashing into Luke. Luke is crashing into us. Ah!
Now, you need to check out Luke's kayak right there. Put that on your video. That right there is a Perception UMAX small person kayak.
UMAC.
Uh-huh.
Oh, yep, right there it says it.
That kayak right there is 12 foot and fast as it can be.
Good for a little guy.
Yeah, it's only rated up to like 110 pounds, 120 pounds.
Yeah.
What did I let in your boat?
Quit putting water in my boat, woman. Okay, so
They're out leading down into the Yadkin.
we're gonna have to get out of Luke's way.
And Luke back here, he wants to know if there's an island on High Rock near your house me and him can camp on.
Yes. There is actually, there's two that we've been talking about going down. One, if you put in below my house, there's actually one out in the main channel. See, I live on a cove, and if you go out to the main channel 100 yards away and then paddle down the main channel half a mile, there's an island there. I don't know if it's accessible to camp on, but it ought to be. But I don't think it's legal to camp on.
It's hard to hide these black willies.
Yeah, yeah. But I mean, once there's probably nobody gonna bother you.
Yeah.
Now we've also talked about going into Tuckertown.
Heck yeah. The water that was flashing fell right on my head.
It did.
Yep.
We've talked about putting it on Tuckertown. Chris, the guy that's with us, and paddling to an island called Reeves Island, which is about, I want to say off the top of my head, I'm thinking it's about 2 miles away. We're going to have to teach the people in this trip that are leading the meaning of a nice leisurely paddle.
Yeah. Well, Tasha's not the one speeding up now.
Because I've paddled about the entire time we've been sitting here talking.
Oh, yeah.
Hey, there's a ladder hanging into the tree.
Yeah, there is a ladder hanging into the
For a long
tree.
time.
And why?
I don't know. Maybe somebody was getting and jumping
You
off.
trying to take me out, boy? Second creek, or third creek?
Is he wanting to,
Aye.
all right, so you're saying September, how many days, how many nights?
No, I was thinking like maybe 3 nights.
We're gonna have to,
What are we doing?
we're gonna have to get the, what you call them back in on this. The, the Yadkin River Adventures. We're gonna have to get Paul back in on a little coordination. Unless we get our wives to take us up and drop us off.
Hey, that cow looks like a cow.
You know, it was November when I did my Boone's Cave to the house one.
Hey, see that cloud? It looks like a cow.
Oh, that was him.
Yeah, that was him.
What does that mean? You say that like,
Cameron's like, watch this guy.
we're gonna crash.
Yeah, so watch this guy. He looks just like Josh Evans.
Oh, that's a good looking dude, huh? Friend of yours. All right. So, how many miles you want to do in those 3 nights?
Well, I figure if it's just the 2 of us, we can go a whole lot further.
Yeah.
I mean, well, basically, you see this 4-mile trip right here with this many people. This is, I guess it's a good thing we decided to just over 10 miles on those days.
Yeah.
Because, I mean, if it was me and you, we'd be done with this one.
Dad, you see the blue?
You could. I mean, unless we stopped and took breaks and
Yeah,
stuff.
but I'm saying, there's no reason why the 2 of us, if we paddle from
Daddy, can I paddle?
morning,
Yep. Hold on.
9 in the morning to 5 or 6 in the afternoon, there's no reason why we shouldn't be able to paddle. Not you,
Paddle, Dad.
Yeah. Addie, you're not paddling. You just slowing us down. And y'all done let Tasha get in the lead, so we're gonna have to speed to keep up. Tasha's not gonna leave us.
The boat's not letting me do it. That's the water letting me do it. Bye-bye.
Power on.
Power on. You hear that thing crank up like a jet engine? The only thing fast about him.
I can move it.
Hold on, baby girl. We're trying to avoid
Hello.
We're crashing into Luke.
And it made me crash into a branch.
To a what?
A branch.
A branch. Luke's gonna hit us in the head with a paddle.
Yeah. Look at the funny boy.
Luke's a funny boy. So today we did a little short trip. It's only about 4 or 5
What
miles.
are you talking to?
Talking to the camera.
Don't talk to the camera.
Okay, I'll talk to you. So today we did a little about 4 or 5 mile trip.
What else are you talking to?
I'm talking to you. We did the Bullhole to 601 on the South Fork of the Yadkin River. And this is a small little easy trip, so that way we could bring the kids with us and let them paddle some and play and have fun, and you know, just another trip, another mile under our belt, getting ready for the get your paddles wet trip that's coming up. And then I talked to the Wondering Electrician, Kevin with the Wondering Electrician, his YouTube channel, and we were talking today about trying another trip sometime in September of 2017, September of this year, and do about a 4-day, 3-night paddle up kind of toward the mountains of North Carolina, or the foothills, we'll say the foothills. We were talking about that, but today we had about 13 people come with us, and we've had a good trip. Yeah, that is Chris. Short trip. Huh? What happened?
I hooked the catfish, and it was a fight. And I ended up having to cut the line. That dude had my boat chain all the way over like this. He was almost breaking the reel in half.
On the old Dock Demon. Catching catfish from the Dock Demon.
So needless to say, I've learned my limitation of what I need to be fishing for with these.
What's that paper?
It tastes like water.
But they can play.
Where's your shoes?
Down in there.
Where's it at? Here, Addie, I'm gonna put you out and I'm gonna move the boats.
Where is it?
I'm gonna find it. Hang on. We've lost a shoe on the Monkey Around show.
Already out, drag it on.
Where is it?
I don't know, baby. We'll find you. Oh, there it is. I found it.
Can you
Catch
get
it,
it?
Addie. Catch it. Get it here. All right, come on.
Come on over.
Hunter.